In permaculture, one of the principles in permaculture is working with nature. And nature means working, for example, with the plants that are already native to the land in which your garden or farm is located. So we have this particular plant here. This is native. It's wild. It grows in the wild. It's native to our environment, our climate. And when I was growing up, I used to see my parents leave this plant on the peripheries of the garden. And I always used to wonder, because they used to say that we don't have to remove it or weed it out. So I've come to realize that this plant here, much as we are not the ones who plant. Okay, I have planted these ones. Some of them, I just throw the seed and they come up. And they thrive very well at the periphery of my garden. And one of the things I've come to realize is that this plant here is a nitrogen fixer. It has very, very deep roots, but at the same time, it doesn't compete with my plants or the food plants that I have planted, whether it be maize, whether it be beans, whether it be fruit trees, vegetables. It doesn't compete for nutrition. Instead, it enriches the soil for those plants to thrive. So naturally, this plant here is usually working for the good of the garden. So next time, try and find plants that are native to your soil environment. Whether they are wild or not, you don't have to always plant everything that is in your garden. On the other hand, this plant actually is so flowery and very attractive to insects. Very good color to the garden. So since our garden is a home garden, you can see the beauty it also brings into our garden, as well as the pollinators that depend on them for their existence and for propagation of the other food plants. Thanks for watching. See you in another one.